Hello Tiny Tot Buddies! Welcome back to Tiny Tot Reviews! Baby nappy rash is a common concern for parents like us. It can be caused by prolonged exposure to moisture, friction from nappy, and irritation from urine or stool. Other factors include sensitive skin, infections, and allergic reaction to products used in the nappies. In our baby's case, nappy rash was due to exposure to moisture and irritation from stool when our baby had diarrhea. So here are the products we use to treat our baby's nappy rash. We'll be sharing how we applied them and the results of using it. Let us start with this Calmoseptine ointment. It has zinc oxide plus calamine. It works as anti-inflammatory and antipyretic. So, nung ginamit namin itong Calmoseptine kay baby, it helps para mag-heal yung skin niya from rashes. Actually, overnight lang, kinabukasan, nag-dry na agad yung rashes. So, kapag kasagsagan ng rashes niya, as in pulang-pula siya, na parang galit na galit yung rashes, si Calmoseptine talaga yung ginagamit namin. So, recommended din ito ng pedya ni baby kasi noon ngang nagka-diarrhea siya, nagkaroon siya ng rashes as in madami. So, etong Calmoseptine yung pinagamit nila. It really serves its purpose kasi nakakatulong talaga siya para humupa yung rashes ni baby and para mag-heal yung skin from nappy rash. And then, kapag nag-dry na yung rashes ni baby after using the Calmoseptine, ang ginagamit naman namin is itong Baby Flow na petroleum jelly. Actually, pag ginagamit namin itong petroleum jelly, yung pamumula is mas lalong nalilesen at mas napoprotektahan pa yung balat ni baby kasi parang nagkakaroon siya ng barrier para hindi mapunta sa skin ni baby kung ano man yung nagkakos ng rashes and mas napoprotektahan pa ito. Bali, itong petroleum jelly na ito ni Baby Flow is powder scent. At kahit na scented siya, since mild nga lang, hindi siya nakaka-irritate sa balat. So, kapag nawala na yung rashes niya, then ang natitira na lang doon sa nappy area niya is yung markings ng pinag-rashesan and medyo rough pa yung surface sa nappy area. Etong si Unilove Rash Cream yung ginagamit namin. Actually, ang tingin ko talaga dito sa Unilove Rash Cream is para siyang anti-rash para ma-prevent yung pagkakaroon ng rashes. Kasi ang ginagawa niya is mino-moisturize niya yung balat, parang mino-nourish niya yung balat para hindi siya talaban nung rashes. It helps para maging smoother yung nappy area ni baby. So, ayun nga, kapag nagka-rashes si baby, tapos minsan, di ba, nagiging rough yung skin, ito yung nilalagay namin, Unilove Rash Cream. And this Unilove Rash Cream is paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and alcohol-free. It also has oats, and as we know naman, si oats helps in moisturizing the skin. So, ayun, itong 3 products na to yung ginagamit namin. So, maybe you're asking, bakit tatlo yung ginagamit namin? Bakit hindi Calmoseptine lang? Bakit hindi petroleum jelly lang? Or bakit hindi yung Unilove Rash Cream lang? So, katulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, yung Calmoseptine is ginagamit namin para mabilis na matuyo yung rashes niya, para hindi na siya ma-inflame or para hindi na siya mangati pa. So, yun yung gamit namin sa Calmoseptine. While yung petroleum jelly naman, nagsuserve as barrier siya doon sa skin ni baby at saka doon sa nagkukos ng rashes. And si Unilove Rash Cream naman, nagsuserve as nourishing cream para mas ma-moisturize yung balat at para mas maging healthy yung nappy area ni baby. So if you are looking for rash remedy, we hope na nakatulong itong video na ito sa inyo. And if you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section and let us help other parents too. See you in our next Tiny Tot Reviews!